Hello again, G-Acconners, back with another video as promised. So following up on our previous video, I showed you guys how to upload brand new expenses of varying payment methods and types from your Google Sheets to your QuickBooks account using G-Accon and our two-way sync. I'm now going to show you how to bulk modify these existing expenses. To do that, I've got my brand new expenses up here. We've got our credit card, check, and cash type expenses. I am going to go ahead and modify these line item descriptions. In the holiday spirit, I'm just going to modify the line item descriptions right here. We'll have that first credit card one be Santa Claus. For our check, put Rudolph. And then for our cash expense, we will put Mr. Snowman. Okay, so now that I have my expenses modified in here, but not yet in my QuickBooks, and I would like to update that, I'm going to start by going to Extensions, G-Accon for QuickBooks, and Upload Accounting Data. For the row selection mode, you could select all rows if you were really tweaking all of these different expenses and would like all of those updates to push through. Do know I am updating 3 expenses here, but you can absolutely go ahead and update many, many more. You could select new rows only, currently selected rows, or specify a data range or row numbers. I'm going to stick with currently selected rows and then go ahead and select the rows of the expenses that I have modified, making sure our QuickBooks object aligns at expenses, and the operation we're going to select here is update instead of insert because we're not creating any brand new object in QuickBooks, we are just modifying existing objects in QuickBooks. Our first table header is at A1 and results will generate accordingly in column T. Hitting execute and save. Scrolling over to column T. Amazing, this is exactly the results that you want to see. So you have the IDs of the expenses that were modified. Success, true, that's what you want to see because there was a proper update done, and created false. Again, you want to see this because we did not create any brand new objects in QuickBooks, we just updated them. Let's click on this first one just to show you guys how quick and easy that is. So we should be seeing Santa Claus in the line item description here. Letting QuickBooks load up for me, and there you go. So for that first one, we've got Santa Claus as the line item description, and if we were to go and look at the check and cash expenses, they would display Rudolph and Mr. Snowman. And that is how to bulk modify expenses of varying payment types from Google Sheets into your QuickBooks using G-Accon and our two-way sync. Let us know what you think down below, and let us know what else you would like to see and learn about. Talk to you guys soon.